Welcome to Metric Tree Labs video series. Today we discuss about styling in React Native. That is, we discuss three types of styling: inline styling, style sheet, import style sheet from external. We will start by taking a look at the structure of our React Native application. We have two components touchable, opacity and text, which are wrapped inside a safe area view component. Now let's look at the Android emulator and see how the components are rendered. To align everything to the center, we will add the style justify content center and align items center to the safe area view component using the style property. This is inline styling. As we can see in the emulator, the view text is now in the center of the screen. Next, we will add styles like padding, background color and width to the touchable opacity component, just like the safe area component. Head over to the emulator to see the changes. We will also change the color of the text to white by adding the color white property. Add border radius to the touchable opacity component to make the button round. We will also move the button text to the center. Next is internal style sheet. We create a variable called styles and assign it the new style sheet by using the style sheet module from React Native library. We copy the styles of safe area view to the body property in style sheet. Touchable opacity styles are copied to the button style property. Next, we assign the styles from the previous variables to the properties of their corresponding component. As we can see in the emulator, the styles have been applied. Next is external style sheets. We have a style.js file with our styles in it. We copy the styles from our app.js component and initialize the styles here and export the styles variable so that we can import it in our app.js file. And finally, we import it in our app.js component. As we can see, the styles are still there. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.